So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can pull meta title, meta description in right from MS Excel in bulk and using links, or either they are like different website or have the same website, how you can pull all the data inside MS Excel. So let's start. So I'm gonna pull meta description, sorry, meta title here. So, meta. Okay, before make sure you have this SEO Excel tool installed. It's a 14 days free trial. You can download it from here, and you should have a PC, Windows, and any version of MS Excel. Okay, so let's start. HTML meta. I click this, close. Okay. Okay. There's another easy way. What you can do, go here, click on HTML title, select this, press OK, and you have sorry, you have all the meta title crawled. See, now meta title, now meta description. We can also check. See, Apple moving is correct. Now meta title, meta description, sorry. Click on this and drag. Okay, so these side have missing. Make sure you copy and paste it as values, so we don't have any formula here. Copy. Now you can also do a lot of stuff like let's pull the H1 of this website. So these are H1. It's a Apple moving is H1. I guess this one. Well, you can play around. It has a lot of other cool features. See, you can also like put keyword density, word count, or like let's test word count if it works in a link. No, I don't think so. Okay, page size, word count, link count. I'm not sure what is link count. Yeah, but you can play around. It has a lot of cool features. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. I'm going to upload a lot more cool tricks and features you can use to like enhance your you can like quickly achieve any task. I'm going to upload a lot of more cool tutorials. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.